A new report from the Alabama Department of Public Health shows Alabama has the third highest maternal mortality rate in the nation.
WKRG News 5's Jeremy Jones is here to break down this report. Jeremy?
Yes, Roseanne. So the Alabama Department of Public Health says more than half of deaths are preventable. And I was able to speak to someone who lost his wife during childbirth.
The latest report from the Alabama Department of Public Health says more than 50% of childbirth deaths were preventable. As of 2020, Alabama had 36.4 deaths per 100,000 live births, making the state the third highest in the nation. The report says the main causes of death are cardiovascular related, substance abuse, and infections. Saraland resident Trey Cox lost his wife Lydia during childbirth in July of last year.
There needs to be changes, whether it be, women's health, mental health. As I've went through this past year, it's very hard to get, good care for that. But, like we were talking about, you've got 56 or 57% of the death rate, maternal death rate, was preventable. Well, a part of that preventable is also substance abuse.
Cox lost his wife due to amniotic fluid embolism, which is a rare but serious condition that occurs when the fluid that surrounds a baby in the uterus enters the mother's bloodstream. Cox says he remembers the final moments from his house to the hospital. It was not easy for him to break the news to the family.
I mean, I lost it. I lost it. I had to come home and tell 5 children that she was gone. Her oldest son that she had when we first met, he had lost his dad when he was 5. And so, it was me and 5 boys. So it resulted in PTSD with me.
Cox says more people need to be aware on this issue to prevent more deaths.
Educate yourself. Don't just rely on somebody else to tell you what you need to be doing and you don't need to be doing. Educate yourself. Ask those important questions. Nobody knows a woman's body better than the woman themselves.
The Alabama Department of Public Health says increasing funds for autopsies will help determine the causes of these type of deaths. To prevent more of them, Cox hopes his story will help raise awareness on this issue. Reporting in studio, Jeremy Jones, WKRG News 5.